The only way legal system can claim jurisdiction is through fraud, deception, with intent to deceive. So the intent to deceive is already there by the fact that the legal system exists. Legal can only exist as a result of fraud. Legal is fraud. Legal is dead. Legal is all things dead, all things corpse, corporations. So here, let's have a look at that then. Contracts are null and void. Any contract is null and void with the intent to deceive. You cannot have a contract. That's called theft. Universal. That is a trespass. That is a breaking of the golden rule. I would not wish harm or fraud upon you, yet you have wished it upon me. So that's your wish, not mine. Because I'm not a dead legal thing. And the only way that any of these crown agents, be it, government employee, cop, lawyer, judge, whatever, any of these crown agents around the world, politicians, they're all fucking crown agents. The jurisdiction cannot be gained through fraudulent, deceptive means, to be gained in order to steal from someone. All legal jurisdictions can only be gained via fraud, deception, which is null and void with the intent to do so. So the contract is already null and void before it fucking began. Nunc pro tunc, now for then. So in that one fell swoop, the entire legal system has been removed to the present with the intent to commit fraud on humanity. The whole legal system is null and void. Because everything in the legal system is created through the intent to commit fraud, to steal. That defies universal law in the highest order. And that's the simplest way I can put it. Sorry, you can't break the golden rule and get away with it. It's kind of neutral. If you wish harm, you get harm. That's why I tell people, if you are seeking vengeance, don't worry, vengeance will find you. If you go looking for a fight, you'll find one. That's why court and this whole legal bullshit fraud is all about vengeance. And you will find vengeance by seeking it every time. And this, for me, is the ultimate lesson that people need to see as to what the illusion of the legal system really is. And there are no enemies here. The only enemy that is here is the one contained within you. You see, if the world had no vengeance, there would be no need for a place to seek it. Courts. That's where you seek vengeance. Got to get even. Got to sue for this. Got to charge for that. That's judgment. That's Lucifer. The whole system is Luciferian. It reeks of deception. It's a cesspool, stench-filled realm of bullshit, quagmire of pus that the legal system is. Because all the legal system is about is vengeance. It's about anger. It's about harm. You don't see everyday people that wish no harm on others walking around with guns on our hips and tasers and bulletproof vests and demanding legal names to commit fraud with. And these people have no idea the damage they're doing not only to humanity but to their own souls. But do not cry to me about a court case this and all the rest of it. You know what that is. It's got nothing to do with you. And how do you neutralize the whole court system? By not being involved in it. It's got nothing to do with you. Legal names of fraud, you know that. I know that. They know that. That's a fact. The courts are fake. Everything is false. It's illusion. It's a fraud trap. If I play it, I get rooked. I'm not going to do that. And that's what the game is. And once you figure that out, that the system has nothing on you without a legal name, welcome to the 13th floor, the untouchable realm.